Two of the biggest names in business formation go head-to-head, LegalZoom versus ZenBusiness. Which one really delivers? On the left, LegalZoom, established legal expertise for businesses and individuals. And on the right, ZenBusiness, affordable, modern LLC and business formation. Let's skip the buzzwords and see how they actually stack up. Each round earns points, and at the end you'll know exactly which service comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Okay, before we start, here's a quick mind map of what we'll be comparing. Price, formation speed, registered agent service, customer support, legal services and extras, and ease of use. Basically, all the stuff that actually matters when you're setting up your business. Let's kick things off with price because, who doesn't care about that? So LegalZoom, well, it's got that big name and long history, but honestly their packages are kinda pricey, especially if you start adding on extras. Plus, the pricing options can feel a bit all over the place. On the flip side, ZenBusiness is way more upfront about what things cost. The basic package is super affordable, and hey, the first-year registered agent is often bundled in for free. You do get some upsells if you want add-on features, but overall you're not getting sticker shock. So, if saving cash is the game, ZenBusiness totally takes this one. Moving on to formation speed, this is a big one if you just want to get started like yesterday. LegalZoom is reliable, no doubt, and their filings almost never have mistakes. But the catch, it's not exactly quick. You're looking at about 7 to 10 business days. Now, ZenBusiness comes in swinging here. They're noticeably faster, usually getting things wrapped up in 3 to 5 business days. If you need it even faster, yeah, you'll pay extra, but still, for speed, ZenBusiness is the go-to. Alright, next up, registered agent service. So LegalZoom gives you a very decent online dashboard for legal docs, easy uploads, all that, but when it comes to price, oof, it's one of the most expensive in the industry, plus extra charges for annual report filing. ZenBusiness, though, includes a registered agent in most packages for the first year, and after that, the renewal fee is way more friendly. There's even a worry-free compliance option if you want to go the extra mile, though to be fair, that costs more after year 1. Still, ZenBusiness is the winner if you want value plus convenience. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know ZenBusiness only started up in 2015, but LegalZoom has already helped over 4 million businesses since way back in 1999? That's some serious track record versus newcomer energy. Let's talk customer support. So LegalZoom has that been around forever vibe, which means experienced staff and lots of know-how. And I know some of you have run into this, their support can be kinda slow or hard to reach. ZenBusiness, meanwhile, is really designed for digital-first users. Online chat, dashboard help, quick responses for most filings, though sometimes people say it's a mixed bag for speed. But overall, it's more responsive, so again, ZenBusiness pulls ahead here. Now, legal services and extras here, where LegalZoom flexes hard. If you need more than just business formation, like you want attorney consultations, wills, trademark filings, LegalZoom's got that full menu vibe. Plenty of useful templates and docs, but yeah, you've gotta pay for most of those extras. ZenBusiness keeps things simple, templates and compliance reminders, and your operating agreement is baked in. No true legal advice though, and the docs are definitely more limited. If you need legal firepower, LegalZoom is your pick, hands down. Last up, ease of use. LegalZoom's dashboard is fine for keeping track of your docs, but I've gotta admit, their website is a little clunky. Lots of upsells to wade through, which honestly gets old quick. ZenBusiness, though, is all about keeping it simple. Their workflow is smooth, step-by-step, and super beginner-friendly. You don't have as many ways to customize, but for most folks starting out, you want easy, right? ZenBusiness wins for user experience. Let's take a quick glance at the radar chart to see how these two stack up across all categories. You'll notice ZenBusiness dominates price, speed, registered agent, support, and ease, but LegalZoom shines best when it comes to those legal services and extras. So what's the final word? If you need a legit LLC fast, want to save some money, and keep things simple, ZenBusiness is the one I'd recommend pretty much every time. But if your business is gonna need a bunch of legal docs, or if you want access to actual attorneys, then LegalZoom is worth a serious look. Honestly, it just depends on what matters most for your business. If you found this helpful, stick around for more smart business breakdowns. We're all about saving you time and, yeah, some hard-earned cash, so check back soon for more big decisions made easy.